Hi, In this video, we're going to take a look at using the Britex carpet clean machines to clean off the carpets when there are wet wines on it. This is a rug. It's not a carpet, but I suppose it's very similar to carpets, and we'll see how well it will cleanse. Now, this one here, I've just spilled intentionally to test the valve. This is a Britex carpet cleaning machine, and we will see how well it will clean up the red wine. So the stains, it just happened just now, a few minutes ago. It hasn't been dry, so it's best if we always try to clean it when it's still fresh, I guess, so the stain doesn't stay too hard to the carpets or to the clothes. So let's test it out and see what happened when wet wine spilled to your carpets, and see how well it will clean off using this Britex machine. So this is the one I have here. If you need to have instruction how to use it, I have another videos that I made. You can see how you can put this whole thing together and how you can use it and what kind of solutions you need with these machines. So I hired this machine from a hardware stores, and let's see how we can use it to clean these carpets. Okay, I'm going to start off with the vacuum. So all the solutions are in here already. Okay, so you can see the spot is really clean after the wet wine has spilled. So yeah, if you try to clean it as soon as possible, it's very clean, very powerful. It did the job, nice and clean. A little bit of spot right there, a little bit red. I probably have missed out, but if you keep cleaning, it will go away. So yeah, if you spill wet wines onto your carpets or rugs, try to clean it off as soon as possible. If it doesn't come out with a piece of cloth, then you can hire this machine to clean up your beautiful carpets. Replacing the carpets can be expensive, so using this machine, you can hire it for 40 bucks, and you can clean up your carpets straight away, and you will have your carpet new as well. You might as well take this chance to clean your carpet so it looks nice and new. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.